ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, hello, and welcome back to another live stream. How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all doing well. Happy Wednesday. I'm excited. I've been looking forward to this all day because we're going to be doing sorting. And I'm excited because I figured out a way of doing sorting alphabetically using blueprints. So I'm excited because no one anywhere has figured out a way of doing it. And I think I can do it, and I think it can work well. Well enough. But we'll see. We will see. Yeah. I think we just jump into it because I really want to do this. So we gotta do sorting. So that means I need a new widget that is going to handle all of our sorting, searching, anything of that sort. So I guess I've been doing it here. So I need to move this folder somewhere else, but whatever. So let's get ourselves a new blueprint. This is going to be our deck search bar, I guess. Hey guys, welcome in. How's it going? Already? Why already? What, already what? What happened? What happened? Yeah, already making stuff because I'm excited. Make stuff. And there was no one here at the very start of it, so getting right into it. I'm doing good. I'm excited. I'm excited. That's the main thing. Because I figured out a way of doing sorting alphabetically. We're doing sorting. But one of the sorting we're doing is sorting alphabetically that no one online has been able to figure out a way to do it. Everyone says C++ and other methods. No, I got a way of doing it with blueprints. No data tables, no nothing. Blueprints. No C++ allowed here. So now I'm making the have you shared with Reddit already? No, I haven't even set it up yet. I don't post things to Reddit. Like, I'm not that, I don't farm karma with posts like that. I don't care. That doesn't give me anything. You know they love solutions? I mean, yeah. I post like occasionally my videos tutorials, my like PCG tutorials to like Unreal subreddit. But other than that, I don't really post much. Just a joke from ungrateful people. Oh, that's what you're referring to. Yeah. True. And real. Okay. So I want to have it be the full length, and let's say 50. We're going to add it here. Deck search bar. Ooh. Anchors. Yeah, we want it to be on top. So like this. Make it the same size here. And then this guy, or I guess I can put it back up to the top. All we need to do is just change the offset top here to be 50. Reveal it. Let me just check the size before we continue on. See if that's kind of a good size for what we want to do. Yeah, I think that's a decent size for what we want to do. Also need to offset these guys a little bit down now. But I think if we have all our info kind of up here in this section, I think that's fine. And then all I need to do is in the this guy, I want to offset top. Well played, well played. Maybe a little bigger. I mean, it is. Also, I'm printing a little thing that says cat. And that is the value of the word cat. That is how I'm going to be sorting alphabetically by transforming the word into a value that is correct numerically. Not even the whole word. I just need the first like 3 letters, honestly. I don't care about doing the whole word. The first 3 letters is enough. I'm pretty sure. I mean, I might do more later. I could do 4 or 5, whatever. I do the whole word if I want to. But I think like 3, maybe 5. Maybe we do up to 5. We'll see. But yeah. Basically converting the word to a numerical value and then sorting by value is how we're doing this. Okay. So, let's get a background here. So we're going to need, I mean, I'm going to just do, okay, here's, I guess, the thing I got to figure out. Do we want to have a drop down, like a simple button, and that has a drop down that has the sorting options? Or do we just have them right there so there's no drop down? I think no drop down. I think we just have it there, just from the get-go. I think we just do so if we can do that, and then can we control is there a border or something? You ever seen I drop down a game in a while? Yeah. Only on settings and stuff? What is settings? What is settings? So we can do I mean, it's not a good border. Can I change the border shape? Oh, instead of image, I want border. That doesn't work. What? Yeah, draw as border doesn't work here. Round and box, that's what I want. What? That is not a rounded box. What? Oh, it's because of padding? What? What? Why is it a circle? I literally selected a rounded box. Oh, outline settings. Is that why? No. Have height or fixed radius. Where's the fixed radius option? Ah, okay. Now I can control it. Jesus Christ. One second. Wait, how did I... Padding. Okay. There we go. When you change graphics, settings. Oh, yeah, settings. Yeah. Look, sometimes I'm really good about a missed letter or something, and other times I have no clue. And the majority of times it's a one missed letter, and I'm like, I don't know the word. I can't even begin to guess the word. Does the box have huge round corners? Well, it's not huge. I mean, you know, it's relative. So maybe for you it's huge. But no, I don't think it's huge. I think it's average. So what I'm going to do is this outline, we're going to use it as basically showing if it's selected and in which direction it's selected. That's what we're going to do. Because we'll have the ability to sort, you know, forward and backwards. And so I think that's going to be a good way of doing it. So this is going to be button. So we're going to need alphabetical. And this is going to be border sort alphabetical. Let's wrap this with a horizontal box. Only thing is, why is it not quite the full size. Why is it not square? Did you have that before the box was? Oh yeah. I don't know. I think just the roundedness was just way too strong, so that's why that was happening. At least that's my guess. So the question I have is, why is this not a square? How do we make it a square? Oh, I guess I could do a size box and force it. Yes, but entirely other side of the country. The hurricane's coming to Florida. My parents are in California. Literally the exact opposite coast. I appreciate you asking. Actually, right before I went live, there's a thunderstorm outside. So there's a chance of power going out, I guess. I haven't had it ever leave, but right before I went live, it was like a few minutes before. Normally when you hear thunder, when you see lightning, you can gauge the distance between, like, how far away it is based on when you hear the thunder, right? I think it was like 1 mile per second or 1 kilometer per second or something like. I forget what the math was that I was always taught. Don't know if it's accurate, but it was like you can kind of gauge the distance. It was so loud, and the flash was basically like 0.1 seconds apart. So I think somewhere nearby, lightning struck. I miss the sun, the heat, F my AC. I've unplugged my AC. I'm not using it anymore. My blinds that I was using to block the sun, they've been off. They've been removed for a little while already. It's just summertime's over. I'm finally not dealing with the sun. So yeah, I can actually like look outside and see like the windows. Honestly, you feel stupid. I shouldn't feel stupid. You're not required to know the geography of this place. Let's do this. Yeah, wrap with a size box. Match. Sorry. I know. I do want padding though. Let's do like 10, right? So we're gonna need 3 sorts of sorting. Because I want to sort alphabetically, I want to sort by rarity, and I want to sort by like when you acquired the card. The only one that will be a little more complicated, and I don't know how I'm gonna do it, is the when you acquire the card. Because I think it'll be when you acquired the last of its kind. Because it'll always put ooh, no, I'll need to no. Yeah, I'll need to figure out like a little more advanced stuff for this. For all of it. Okay, let's do the first one will be sort time. Second one will be sort Alphabetical. Seems good. And the third one will be sorting. Rarity. And for now, what I'm going to do is just give them different colors. Rarity can be this one. Rarity can be like this gold one. Alphabetical can be blue. Sure. And then time can just be that. So now we have 3 beautiful buttons that we can press. I need to bring them down a little. They're a little bit too high against the roof. Which is interesting because it looks like they're kind of fine. Maybe a little bit high, but mostly like I'd say kind of fine here. But I guess let's move it a little further down. Oh, I know why. It's because these also. I know why. It's because this just happens to be really close in color right now. So if I made this like something like that. So now it actually looks like there's a division here. So now it's no longer super high. I could make it a little bit bigger, but I don't want to make it super big. I'll put these somewhere else, but for now, right, we have these, and if I drag here, nothing should happen. Yep. It happens, but if I drag here, and drag back. Excellent. Okay. So now we gotta do the sorting. So, hey, Sermon, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Let's do the basic time sorting stuff first. Well, first of all, I need to basically say on clicked for all of these. And basically, I need to, I believe, do an event dispatcher. Time clicked. If I recall, duplicate. No. Rarity clicked. And alphabetical clicked. Hey, Hexic, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. You hate your app and it hates me, so all is fair. Oh, yeah, as long as things are fair. Hello, Code Void. Welcome in. Am I hallucinating, or did you have a beard the last time we saw me? Nope, never had a beard. You're clearly on drugs. No. Never happened. You should stop taking those mushrooms. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. You're on so many different drugs right now. It wouldn't surprise me. Mushroom. Today, I'm doing something exciting. Wait. Can't I? Hold on. I don't need the main menu anymore. Don't need the save game. Can't I do events? Enable is variable setting. Oh. There we go. Yeah, that's why. So there we go. So now we can do clicked, unclicked, unclicked. So, for those of you that weren't here before, I figured out something amazing. Hey, Mr. Spaghetti, look, I'm in. Hope you're doing well. I figured out how to do alphabetical sorting in blueprints. And I'm going to be setting that up today. No one has been able to give me any solution to do alphabetical sorting of any kind, let alone in blueprints, in any of the internet. And I, last night, figured out a way to do it. So I'm excited to do that today. We're going to start with a basic time-based one, but after that, have you ever used Google Drive? Wait, what? I mean, yes, that's how I share my files. Yeah. You're trying to get a picture, link, URL, and Google Drive is complicated. I mean, right-click, do share, and then you could copy link. See, with C++, I checked the ASCII value on the first character as an int, a hexic, and then sort numerically, a hexic. Guess what? I'm doing it in blueprints. Hey, Jesus Freak, welcome in. How's it going? That's the plan. That's the plan to do it in blueprints. Mine does multiple characters. So I can check the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. I can check as many as I want. Because yes, you're correct. You could check the ASCII value of the first character. But what if you wanted to check the first, second, and third character? Right? I don't know if you saw what I did there. The copy link takes you to a Google Drive view page. The app you're making makes you use a JPEG or PNG. Oh, that I'm not sure. Strings a character? Pretty much. You just append the values together. You just append them. Because these are all double digits, except if you have a blank. Then it's then you need to say if 0, then do double 0. And that's it. And then you can sort numerically. I felt so proud of myself when I figured this out last night. Okay. I need to... where's my... this is the deck, no. Card collection. You. So, we generate the available cards, but... I don't want to... This generate needs to first... sort it. Test 3. What are you doing in test 3 for? Or is that the code in C++? You gotta work it the first time you use it, then you learn how to do it properly, and now it doesn't work. Well, then do it improperly if that's the case. You have to get the fourth... Oh, yeah. You're showing the C++ version. Yeah. You also like Vim for one reason. What? I don't know what the gibberish was. And then your mom. Your life is properly improper? Well, I mean, if it's properly improper, then it's just proper, right? Okay, so we need to do a sort. So let's do a sort collection. So for each loop, but Emacs is better than Emacs. Is there a draft in here? Because I think I just had something fly over my head. Actually, let me do was most of your jokes? What are you most? I think I should say all. All of your jokes. Unfortunately. Okay, let's add our sorting types. It's going to be time reversed. Then we have alphabetical. Reversed.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Okay. Very reversed. For any reason, it's not a text editor more than it is an OS, in which the OS acts like a bootloader for Emacs. Hey, Big Bad Wolf, welcome in. What's sad? Is it sad because you have ads? YouTube doesn't have ads. There's many ways to get rid of ads. One of them is coming to the YouTube site. He probably can't hear me. Probably doesn't know. That's okay. We'll take the secret to our grave. You can hear everything? Well, you're special. You know? You are Skynet? I mean, no. No, I'm not. And now the truth comes out. And now the truth comes out. Hexic is Skynet. Which is, you know, I don't know what's worse. The fact that he's Skynet or the fact that he's Skynet is all lowercase. So even he doesn't think it's all that great. Otherwise, you know, you'd actually have like proper capitalization or at least like all caps to make it like really epic. But this is like a baby Skynet. Nah, too late. Too late. Even your thoughts doesn't want to be seen. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go with these with this sorting. So now, here I can do a sorting types. And then I can go ahead and switch on a sorting type. So time is just going to be default. This is easy. So time will just, we need a return here. I can return this, and that will get me the right info. So this is the sorted cards. So, and me a local variable. This is the after or sorting cards. Or, you know what? We're on to local variable. There we go. Okay. So, if it's time, we just sent this through. I know, like, very advanced here. Crazy. Really complicated this. if it's time reversed, I know I'm throwing out very complicated notes here called a reverse. I don't know if you've ever heard of it. Actually, not on this one, sorry. First I need to sort this. And then I reverse this one. Watch out. Advanced sorting algorithms coming through. But now after this, we can just go ahead and grab our sort collection. And basically, instead of this, put it in this. I can move this all the way to the right, honestly. It doesn't need to be at the start. How much faster would this be if it was running on C++? Don't want the answer, you just want to rage bait me? I mean, it's not really a good way of rage baiting. Because I was just answering, I don't know. I don't really care. You're not very good at rage baiting. I'll say it. Not very good at rage baiting. Oh, you know what we need when we do generate available cards? I need to also, I think, set the sorting type here. Okay. So if we go to the deck builder, I need deck builder. Wait, is it not? It's not a variable. Now it is. So here I want to drain available cards based on time. Oh, this is the time clicked. You know what? I'll do a flip flop here. Flip flop. Time reversed, and then time. The only other thing is, by default, it'll be time, so should be fine. Hey, look at that. We have sorting. Ain't that great? Okay. Now comes the hard part. We gotta set up we gotta set up a not this one, alphabetical one, which is the one I'm excited for. So, here. Hey, Bundy. Yeah, I'm always multi-streaming, both on Twitch and YouTube. So if you prefer one or the other, you can watch there. Whatever you'd like. There's positives and negatives with both scenarios. You know, neither one is perfect. Both have some parts that are good, some parts that are bad. I see both chats, so. Okay, So, alphabetical. Probably need to, first of all, just reorganize this a little bit. So what we need to do is, for each one of these, right? I need to get the names. You have the ability title. And basically the way it's going to work is using get character as number. And I'm basically going to append them to get multiple characters and sort by however many characters I want. So I can convert the title to a string. And append it all. I don't need this one. Do I want to do more? I could do... Do you? Do I actually look at both chats? Is that what you're asking? Yes. It's all in the same chat for me. I can't ignore you even if I wanted to. Yeah, you guys are all in the same chat for me. Unless it runs out of bandwidth. And then I have to put YouTube on a separate chat. A worse chat. Until you break this one badge. Don't do it. Don't do it. Here's a quick question I have. There are nothing that's lower than 3 characters, but we do have ones that have a space for the 4th character. So, here on the last one, we're gonna sort by 4. I think. Let's do 4. I'll do a select, and on this last one, if this is equal to 0. Which means it's a space. It's basically a blank space. If it's true, it's going to return 00. Otherwise, it's going to return this. And then we have this, and then we can go string to integer. And now we have the value. The value of the first 4 characters. The reason it's 00 is because all of the characters... Oh, I also need to do to upper. First. To upper. Not to be confused with two uppies. When you ask for uppies, that is different than upper. Okay. Will not get uppies in this scenario. I'm sorry. Okay. Are you talking about drugs again? No. Uppies. It's like when kids ask to be lifted up into the air and they're like, uppies? No, I'm not talking about drugs. No, okay. Okay, so then we can promote this to a local variable. This is going to be our title value. Yes. Values. Array. Add. Okay, so it's going to do this. It's going to add it to the array for all of them. Then Then at the end, we have a new array that is the same length as the old one and matches the index to the index. Index 3 of one will be the same as index 3 as the other. So then I need to as a minimum in all no. There's what's the node called? Shit. Where it gets you the minimum thing in an array, the minimum value in an array. Min of int array. I think this one. Yeah, there we go. Min of int array. Because basically we need to get now know what the order is, so we can get the minimum of int array. So now what we can do is I think first of all, before I do this, so I don't use this in the future and don't make this mistake, I'm gonna just set this unlock cards immediately to sorted cards. And then here I just use sorted cards. Just output sorted cards. That way I'm not accidentally sorting my actual like original array, because we don't want to touch that. And then we can just put that same thing in here. So now from here I need to I think I just need to swap it. Now, actually, I did set this up before in my old project. I could probably just pull it up. Honestly, it'll probably make it easier for me. Copy from my old work, you know? I'm pretty sure I need to do a swap. But I'm not 100%, so. Honestly, like YouTube because of the live rewind. Yeah. If you're a lurker, typically lurkers will prefer YouTube and chatters will prefer Twitch. That's typically the way it is. Because on YouTube you can pause, rewind, speed up, slow down. So if you're a lurker, you don't care about the chat or actually chatting, then you can just be like, oh, hold on, let me use the restroom. I'm gonna pause, go, and be like, oh, you know what? I'll catch up by doing like 1.5 times speed. Or, if you care about even being live, because if you're not interacting with the chat, then you might be fine with just playing it basically like a video that is just happens to be a live stream. You also get higher quality on YouTube, but you have a longer delay. So again, there's positives and negatives. So where am I using this method? No, this is not it. This is on drop. Sort inventory. Ah, here it is. Yeah. So you use the minimum array, you get it from your inventory, you add it to a new one, and then you do set array element. Yep. Let's take a screenshot of this for myself. Make it easier. Hey, Holy Crab, welcome in. Or should I say, hello, Holy Crab, parentheses, Holy Crab, close parentheses. Welcome, hope you're doing well. Lurker mostly here? Yeah, there you go. Then YouTube is probably your preferred method. I don't have any preference for which one you guys should use. That doesn't matter to me. Use whatever one you guys prefer. come back here. Yeah, I am doing the for each loop here. First you loop on it, and then you get, yep. So for each loop. Now, I wonder how this is going to work with my cards. Don't. Right now they are the same name for different levels. So what I might end up doing is not having having a rarity one, but the alphabetical one will need to possibly sort by both rarity and by name. Because otherwise, right, if multiple things have the same name, because they will, then that can happen. Hey, Urban Order, welcome in. What a mess. What happened? What did you do? What did you do? We say thank you for all the PCG content you've pumped out, especially the biomes. Hey, you're absolutely welcome. Yeah, for this weekend, I'm actually going to be making a 5.5 PCG video showing some of the dynamic meshes. That's going to be the plan for this weekend. And then the following weekend, I'll probably do geometry scripting. Sorry, not geometry scripting. Dynamic meshes are the geometry scripting. The following week, I think I'm gonna do. What's the scripting thing? Grammar. Yeah, then I'll do grammar, I think. I think that's a good way of doing it. Do I want to do it this way? Ooh, now I'm looking at it. I would need to do 2 local variant sword cards. Or I just instead of sword cards, just local card collection. And then I'll just duplicate this and just say sorted cards. Yeah, that's all I need here. Okay. So, sword cards. We add this one to it because we got the minimum value. Then we go with tile values, and we need to set array element. The index is the index of this. And we need to set it to be 1, 2, 3, 4. What's integer overflow at? How many values is integer overflow? What's the N32-bit range? 2, 3. I can totally do 4 safely. Yeah, it should be fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. So because nothing should be like all 99s, all 99. And then at the end, on completed, we just return sorted cards, I think. Now, this is on alphabetical. And on... Actually, we'll do it this way. Alphabetical and alphabetical reverse will go here. And on return here, I'll just grab this again. Basically, alphabetical will return. And alphabetical reverse will just reverse it first. Okay. Did I do it? Alphabetical sorting in blueprints. I still can go back to the original. There's your alphabetical sorted. No one online could give me an answer. Anywhere. C++ needed my ass. Don't underestimate blueprints. Now, there's one thing we want to change here, and this is when we have multiple of the same kind. Actually, we don't need to change anything. It will automatically put them in order. And when you're doing a reverse alphabetical, it'll just go reverse order here. So it's not even like, I don't actually need to do anything for it. Unless I always want it to be minimum to maximum. Which we can do. We could have it always sort from min to max as well as alphabetical. I kind of want to do that. And I think all we need to do then for that is append one other thing. Which is the card tier info. Grab the card tier and append it. And then here I'll have it another 9. I think it should be as simple as that. Right, so we're all default here. No, this is still purple, green, white. Why is it still purple, green, white? It should. Why you still purple? Yeah, there's a 3 and a 2 there. So it understands it, but for some reason, it no work. Why? I feel like it should work. Oh no! Yeah, this makes perfect sense because we're also reversing the order. So really, if I wanted to do it that way, if I wanted to contain it, but on the reverse way, I can't have it both going here. I need to do kind of a separate thing for both. So this will go here. Actually, can I? Before I. So the reason is, right, when we reverse it, this number also gets reversed. So really what I need to do is sort it. And this was a nice ask. This is just a little extra ask that I was thinking of. It's not like it's required. Like, it's working really well now already.
Ads are here.
Oh.
Pausing for ads.
Okay, well, ads are going real quick. I'm going to go use the restroom. And then we'll think about this. See if I want to do it. Be right back. I figured it out. I thought of a solution. I thought of a solution. My brain's braining. My brain's braining. I don't know how well it's braining, but it is braining. Also, I don't need to do this giant switch. I can just be like, if it's equal to reverse, then reverse. Oh no, the nootropics are kicking in? I know that from somewhere. Shit, what do I know that from? Tropics. This is a smart drug. What? Or cognitive enhancers. First time I'm hearing about this. Except like in anime. I probably have seen the term like in anime or something. I don't know anything about this in real life. So first of all, I just need to check if it is just equal to alphabetical reversed. Or I guess alphabetical. Let's do it that way. Because there's no reason to have the entire thing. So if it's regular, go here. Reverse will go here. So first of all, clean that up. What I can do here is this one, the car tier. So here we can do a select. Select int, that should be fine. Based on whether it's alphabetical. If it's alphabetical, then we're just going with this. If it's not, I want to select. I'm basically going to reverse it using the card tier. So if the card tier is 1, it's going to be 3, 2, 1. We're going to reverse these numbers. I don't know if there's a better way of doing something like this versus using a select. If you guys know of a way, I'd love to hear it. But this should work, I think. White, green, red. White, green, red. Yeah, this. It works. White, green, purple. White, green, and purple right behind me, right there. You can see the border. Yeah. So now it's ordering by alphabetically and rarity within the alphabetical. So we now got time, alphabetical, and now all that's left to do is set up rarity. Ooh, how do we do rarity? Rarity is probably going to be the same as alphabetical, but in reverse order. Because I guess I'd want to do... Yeah, we'll still want to do alphabetical on the rarity one. Okay. So, first of all, let's just take this. Commented, this is alphabetical sorting. So now we need rarity sorting. So for rarity, theoretically, I could probably just reuse this. So here we need to change this one to rarity. And the main thing I'm going to change here is I'm going to put the rarity first. I think that'll just work. Did I not? Up? Oh, this needs to be rarity. 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 Did I not hook up? No, not you. Oh, yeah, I didn't hook up rarity button. So rarity reversed and rarity. All comments in reverse alphabetical. Oh, okay. So this is slightly incorrect. So we do need to make some change because I always want it to be in alphabetical order. Yes, this is always putting the common ones first. Why is it always putting the common ones first? Okay, so it wasn't quite as simple as I was thinking. Why is it doing the common ones first? Always. It should sort it here by... by rarity. If I did this for shits and giggles. Oh, here, yeah. It's because I don't want to do that here. So there's rarity. Yeah, so now this is correct. So we need to make it, yeah, I don't need this in this version. What we need to do aside from reorganization here, is basically make it so it doesn't sort or doesn't reverse the alphabetical one. So this one I might need to do two separate custom things, because I don't want this resorted. I only want this resorted. So what I can do is actually not have this reverse. If I don't have this reversed, we can do it here. And the same thing as we were doing before. This. Actually, let's bring that back. All right. Index 0. And this needs to be rarity. So I might have this reverse. We'll check in a second. So this is by rarity. Still alphabetical. Ooh, okay, so rarity reversed. Still alphabetical. Yes! Did it! It works! Right, so we have the purple, then green. And because that's the only ones right now that have these. And then it's armor, cleave, critical chance up. And then armor, cleave, critical chance up. And then we have green, purple. All sorting works. We can swap between them. Yes. Okay. Part 1. Good. Good. Now, right now it's starting when you click it the first time. It does reverse. I don't want it to do reverse the first time you click, so let's fix that. That's an easy one. That's literally just. Come. So the next thing I want to do is when I do generate available cards, I want to set like the outline color of all of them. So I'll collapse this to a function. Set outline color. So we're gonna switch based on this. So effectively, what we need to do is, oh, you know what? Sorry, we don't want to do this here. We want to do it inside of the actual thing. So this stays. What we want to do is in this guy where we have these actually set up. That's where we want to do this. So we'll add a set selected sort. Let's go with that. It is going to take an input type of sorting types. And now we can do we need to grab the what's it called? Oh, we're in here. So we can have another one that passes it along still. So basically we need the same thing as we have just go here. I'll just copy this. Or oh, you know what we can do instead? I got a better idea. I got a better idea than all of this. We're still gonna need it on this guy, but we're not gonna need it on you. Basically, the way we're gonna do this is here. Right, we're calling this, I believe you can put variables in that, right? Can you? Can you not? I don't think, actually, no, I take it back, you can't. I was mistaken, you cannot push information through it. Poop. Well, you know what? We know when it's clicked. We don't need to do that. We literally know when it's clicked. We don't need to push any information. Just do it here. I'm being dumb. So let's do. We need the outlines as variables. So when the time is clicked, one, set tint or set brush color. Is that gonna work? If I just make it green? Yeah, there it is. So now I just made it green. So we can make it green and red, but what we need to do though is not here. If we're doing a flip-flop, right? And what I'm gonna do instead of doing the flip-flop here, I'm gonna do the flip-flop here. And I'm just gonna have different calls based on the flip-flop. Or better yet, what if you don't have a button selected? The first time you click on the button, it will do regular order, and if you click on it again, it'll reverse the order. I kind of like that idea more instead of being flip-flop, because maybe you clicked it once, click away from it, and click back onto it. And I don't want it to, the second time you click on, be reversed. So in fact, we're not going to do a flip-flop. We're just going to say, do I want to do like variables like time sort? I can do. Let's do sorting type. So if this is equal to time. Then time reversed clicked. Otherwise is going to be time clicked. I think that's going to be the easiest way of doing this. And then if it is reversed, let's make it red, for example. Or let's do red for now. I don't want to do red-green. I don't want to do red-green colorblind kind of thing. So we're not going to do red-green in the end, but this is just for now. Then we can do, basically grab this, put it here. This is alphabetical. And this is, oh sorry, this is the alphabetical one. This is the rarity. Hey, ZZ, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Do one of these. And then I see a few more event dispatchers. Alphabetical. I can't see what I'm typing because it's just below. Did I type it right? I did type it right. And last one is rarity. First clicked. I also realized I placed it backwards again. Let me just put this one below. In the same order. Okay. So I'm going to want the same colors for now. The difference being what is being sorted. So this is border sort time. Then we want border sort alphabetical. And border set rarity. Okay, so if I do this. Oh. It also helps when I set up the other buttons and fix this. So I need time reverse clicked. That's reverse clicked. And rarity reverse clicked. Okay. Time. Medical. Okay. So reverse. In. Okay. Yep. So now we have green because it's forward. Clicking again doesn't work. That's right. That's wrong. Oh, it's because I'm not setting the values. I'm stupid. I'm doing it based off this, but I'm not setting what it is after I click the button. So what we need to do is, I'm just going to take all of this. Switch it over. Set the sorting type on all of these. So this is time. This is time reversed. And let's take this. Now, one thing I already want to do is I wanted to save the sorting between closing and reopening. That's already on my thing to do that I'm already thinking about. So just as a, you're wondering about that, or like if you close and like if you really prefer to always see it in a certain way, I want to save it. I want to save that information. Green, red, green. Ah, but then we need to clear the color. This one doesn't work. Does this one work? Ah, it's because this is priority first. Also need to reset the colors and all the other ones. There we go. So what we need to do is you and you here. You become white. White. And for this one, it's going to be you. I'll clean it up in a bit. And then I need you guys here. We're still going to also, after we're done with all this, I want to add a search option. We're going to be doing searches too. We'll do that later. So now if I click one, excellent. Have a click again. So the first one is always going to be the forward way. Thing again gets it reversed. Yes. I'm so glad it's working. I'm so glad it's working. Okay. So we need to unload. So event construct. We need to check based on the sorting type. We need to set it to be one of these setups for color. So honestly, we just need this. Except time reversed. I'll swap these around. By default, it'll be time right now. So if I go ahead and open it now, yep, the first one already has a green, and now if I click it, it's red. Excellent. Okay. So now let's save this information. I'll probably need to save it on the save game. That's really where I put it. Because I wanted to save it between opening and closing the entire inventory or the entire menu. So let's do that. So this is going to be deck or collection sort. Now, I said collection just now. I think I want to also be able to order or sort the deck. So we'll need to do the same system on the deck as well, where I want to be able to sort by all three. But first, let's do the collection, which is the main one. But we also want to sort the deck. Okay. Just sort type. Okay. Under save variables.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Oh. That's them already. Let's wait for ads. I don't know. I was very excited about today. For, and I know it was just sorting, but I got really excited when I figured out a way of doing alphabetical sorting in Blueprints. It felt good. Which doesn't happen very often when I actually, you properly figure stuff out. I think I had the similar feeling when I last figured out how to sort in general. I had a similar thing. I couldn't figure out how do you do sorting by time. And when I figured out how to do sorting by time, I had a similar feeling. Does anyone have a good software to find / use reference images? Google Images? For reference images? Google Images? No? Does that not work? I mean, reference images, I feel like, is there a better place? I mean, unless you want AI, but then just go to make stuff with the AI. I just go Google Images. Alternatives are paid. To be fair. Tons of normal images, but you keep swapping? What do you mean? What do you mean you keep swapping? I need to... I want to put this probably higher for convenience. Scooch all of this. Swapping reference images with others and you're making a mess. Have you heard of mirror board? Have you heard of a thing called a mirror board? Pull it up. If I recall, this is free. Mirror board is literally just a big board of you just post images here and just zoom out and zoom in infinitely. It is literally just a big board. You can post images, you can draw on it, You can collaborate with people. It's all sorts of stuff. And I believe they have a free option. They have a sign up free. If I go to pricing, yeah, there's a free tier. Single workspace with 3 editable boards. You don't need multiple boards. Really. Again, you can just post all your images there, all your reference images in one place. I think you just zoom in and you make boxes and stuff. It's really nice. I've used this like in a professional environment. It's called Miro board. I'll link it in the chats. Yeah, super nice for reference images. So if I see if I can find like a nice example of someone. Yeah. Like this, you can just literally just drag images in there. And you can just zoom in. Fully, you can zoom in on this. It is not, and then you can rescale it and you can zoom, whatever it is. So you have full control over this stuff. You can, again, put text. You could do whatever you want to organize things. It's really nice. Here's like have a bigger image of this image. Yeah, so here's, for example, right, you could see, let me just over. So you can see you have like some tools, some text, some stuff, but really, also I happened to find one with just weapons that they're organizing, I guess. I didn't actually look when it was sorting. But it's really nice. Pure reference is not good for writing. Yeah, I mirror board, like you can see, you can make the text super big. It doesn't scale. The only problem like I have with the text is it doesn't scale automatically. Like if you zoom out, the text doesn't get bigger. Like in blueprints, the comments, right? They scale with zoom, so they're like always like a global size. It's not that way here. It's like my one criticism. But you could totally like just organize all your stuff here. So you when you're doing reference stuff, you could be like, you know, style 1 and put all your image of like first style, second style, third style to figure out like what you're doing, for example. Or if you're doing a building, you could put all your images like in a certain group and just be like building A, building B, whatever it's called. So yeah, this is what I recommend to people. Because it's free. Like for personal use like that, you can see the tons of like just here. And you can just do all sorts of stuff. Hope that helps. Yeah, I know about it because I've been using it professionally at work at my last company. The current one I'm doing doesn't use it. Well, I don't know if they do use it, I just haven't needed it. So probably don't use it. Yeah. So we're now saving the card collection sort type, but I need to. I don't think I need meta progression here. Yep. Fine. Yeah, guys, will have a good night. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope you have a lovely night. Okay, so on our here, when we get the sorting type, I need to do it based off of the sorting type in the game mode. So, okay, game mode. here. Get collection sort type. Okay, and that's gonna do that. The next thing I need to do is in the game mode here, I need to add a new function for I don't need a function. I guess I can just do it without a function. For just setting it, I don't need a function. So what we want to do though is here, when we're doing this, I want to set it, which means I should promote this to it. Game mode reference. Set collection sort type. This will just be pipe through. So just like this, whenever we change change sorting, it should automatically set it. Now we're not saving it yet. We're gonna need to in a second. Okay. So, and then in game mode for save game. I want to push this through. But the other thing is I do actually want to do another function. Because I want to save this information every time I click it. I want to save game. So yes, I do want a new function. Save deck sorting. Set sort type. So I'll just push that through. Which means I need to change this to save deck sorting instead of this. So that way, every time we sort the deck, it gets saved. I don't want it to be like, yo, you clicked sort, and then, okay, well, I just closed the game. No, let's save it. Save that you sorted it. Because maybe you're playing around with your card deck, and you're just doing sorting at the end. So, theoretically now, I'm currently doing by time. If I do by rarity, reversed, so we have HP armor, right? And I reopen. No, it's selected, but it's not sorted that way because it's not reading the information. Makes sense. So if we go to the card collection, yeah, it's getting the information here, which is wrong. Get game mode reference. Yeah, it's collection sort type. And actually, do we then need the sorting types? No, this is the local one. That's fine. Yeah, I don't. This one doesn't save it, but I don't need to save it. So now we have it already sorted. Purple, green, regular. If I change it to this one doesn't do anything anymore. Why don't these do anything? This one works. That one doesn't. What did I do? Did I not? No, it's going all the way through. Here, it's going all the way through. This is all being correct. Ah, okay. So this one I do want here. The difference is on construct, I want to get the game mode reference here, and then I want to set our sorting type here. There we go. So right now, if we sort it alphabetically, we'll do reverse alphabetically. I can close out of here, open it up, and it's still not reverse alphabetically. Why? That's not saving. Why? Oh. It helps if I plug this in here. Okay, reverse alphabetically. Still reverse alphabetically. Still reverse alphabetically. Oh. No. What? Is it not saving it properly? Interesting. So if I did this, it's A, the last one's HP, and I exit, then I open, then it's fine. But if I sort it and then press 1 to close and reopen it, it doesn't do it. What? Oh. No. Yeah, okay, I understand. So the problem is, yeah, I don't want to be using this local one at all. I don't want to be using this local one at all. Yet, sorting type. Uh, I don't want to set this. That. Then I'm going to need to change all of this. The only two places I was using that. Here. Else, good you, good you. I think that's it. If I remove storing types, yep, it doesn't complain. Oh. I do generate available cards. It does sort collection, and the collection here, I already got the info. Yeah, so I don't need that. So I don't need this. Let's see. So again, if this doesn't do anything anymore. Because all of this is no longer doing anything. I might be able to get away with not having the duplicate buttons, but why does this now not work? It goes off of the card collection sort type. Am I not setting it properly? It should. Oh, I'm setting the sort type here. I'm setting it, I'm saving it. And then I'm calling it. So the order of operation is correct. The order of operation is correct. But you know this is triggering. I'm going to do a print string here. Let's find out. Time reversed. Time reversed. Time reversed. Okay. So it's just not updating for some reason. On this one, at least. Is it updating here? Oh, you know what I'm doing? I'm saving it here, but I'm not saving it here. This is important. Basically, I'm saving it on the save game, but I'm not saving it like in the file that I'm local file I'm using. Because obviously I'm not grabbing it from the save game every single time. So now it's sorted by a rarity. Close, reopen, still rarity. Close, reopen, still rarity. Go here for, let's go alphabetical. Close, reopen. Still fine. There we go. Ooh, hold on. What was that about? Hold on. I think I found a problem. I press it. We're good. We're on green. I close, reopen. This should reverse if I click it again. It doesn't. Doesn't. Which means here... Yep, here we need to grab the information from game mode reference. Yeah, it's collection sorting type. And that goes in here. Doing the same thing, kind of. Okay. So now, if I leave it on green, and the next time I click, it reverse. Yes, all working. So, next up is to clean this up. Oh, this is a bit of a mess. I don't need to do the reversed versus not reversed. In fact, I can just remove all of these and just say sorting clicked. Because basically this can go through. And the end, no matter which one it is just all going to call sorting. Then, of course, I need to set it up. But here, sorting clicked. Right here, don't need all of this. Yeah, with this new system, a whole lot easier. So now we have it all sorting. And technically, they all output to the same location for sorting. Yes. Okay. Fantastic. Now, I'll probably want to do... Oh, when I do searching, I guess I'll need to implement... When I do searching, I'll need to implement, like, selection and stuff. Yeah, I'll need to figure stuff out. Searching will be a little more advanced, a little more complicated, but that's fine. Okay. Let's change up the colors. I said the colors were temporary, and they are. What's good colors to do for just forward and reverse, I guess? I could do blue. I could do like blue and orange. Well, blue, blue orange is the color blind. Oh, the other color blindness, right? I probably don't want to do blue orange. Color blindnesses. So there's red, green, blue, yellow. Okay, it's blue and yellow, not blue and orange. I didn't think it was orange, but I just want to make sure. So let's do blue and orange then. I'm gonna just make this, let's say, nice blue here, and then promotes to a variable. This is going to be our sort forward color, and I'll make it orange. And this will be our sort reversed. Oh, I think I have these backwards. This is reversed.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
I almost put this in backwards. I mean, it would be hard to fix, but okay. Sweet. So glad this is working out. I'm so glad it's working out. Second. So the lightning that I heard, sorry, the thunder that I heard and lightning I saw like right before the stream, apparently someone managed to take a photo of it. I'm just checking with the person that sent me the picture that it is actually the one that happened here and not just a random one, because that'd be good to confirm. That would be very good to confirm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, you know what I'm thinking? I might make the outline invisible. I make the outline invisible. For when it's not selected. Because I think there's an alpha here, right? I should be able to theoretically so if I change this to 0 alpha. From this to variable, this is going to be our deselected or sort deselected color. Can I do one of these? Oh my god, I can. That makes it easier. Don't need multiple then. Just do one. Sometimes, some nodes you can plug multiple targets into directly, and sometimes you can't. It really depends on what you're doing. This one, it seems we can just plug multiple targets in directly, so I don't need multiple of these, which is great. Okay. So let's go take these. So again, this is forward and then reversed. And by default, I need to take all of these borders and change the tint to be invisible. So let's see how this is going to work, or if it's going to work. No. So what am I changing then? Made this white. Just real quick. Back to full intensity. Oh, it is. It's just the blue is so subtle. I need to change the blue strength. Where is it working? No, it's not. So interesting. Why does the tint here? I mean, it's not a big deal. But I was like, maybe. Because these are all have full 1 alpha, so it's odd that it doesn't make it visible. But fine, we'll make it just gray. And on construct, oh then, yeah, I just need to make this the default. Yeah. Wait, what's going on? Why is it? This is tint. What am I setting? It says brush color. I do brush tint. No, that's odd. So why is it not behaving? That's behaving, but it's just very subtle. So let me just change this to be really saturated. Yeah, so now it's definitely more visible. Maybe I do blue and I need to do like more of a deeper orange there. And for the blue, let's go like a deeper blue. So now I can tell that's selected. That's a little bit better because it becomes a little more subtle in this version and the way it's set up. And now that it's actually more subtle, we could try this again. No, it works. It works. It was just very subtle before. So here now. Does this work now? No. Never mind. I take a little back. I don't know why. Hey, Steven, welcome in. Are your streams always at this time? By your channel trying to make a 2.5D RL for your class has been a year. RL. Roguelike. For your class has been a year. Yeah, my streams are always around this time. I stream from around 6:30 till like 9:30ish Pacific. Monday through Friday. Yep. I also stream on Sunday, but I don't do game dev on that day. Right now, every Sunday at noon, we're playing through Elden Ring. And we just got to the DLC last week, so DLC time comes Sunday. I'm kind of excited. We killed killed like a one dungeon boss thing in the DLC and didn't die yet. So we'll see when I end up dying. Okay. So how do I make it be more noticeable? Or rather, why is it not very noticeable? If I change the it's why is there still like a little border there on the button, basically? Outline settings. Ah, okay. That might help. Yes. Yes, I think I now need to change the size of the borders, because now that I realize that's actually so 2. Yeah, now it's very easy to tell. Yes! Sorting works! Alphabetical, rarity, or alphabetical with rarity, and then rarity with alphabetical, and by, like, original, like, just acquired. Yes, I don't have any icons for it. I'll need to add them, of course, but that's fine. Got it working. Now, I also want to sort the deck. How do we want to do the sorting for the deck? Well, the same way, but I mean, like, where do we want to put the buttons? Here, the DLC is way harder. You have a class in the morning, however. They'll be around and try to poke your brain at making some mechanics you're willing. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Have a good night. Yeah, take care. Thanks for stopping by. I could put the deck stuff here, but I was thinking of moving this fort of 10 here. Oh, you know what we can do? I can make a little divider in the middle, and let's say the left side will be, I can do like a deck side and then a collection side. And so depending on which one you use, it will sort that. I think that's how I do it. But before I do that, I'm going to run to the restroom one more time. I'm drinking too much water. Or too much sparkling ice. I'm back. Okay. So, I think we go like right in the middle. Maybe we do like one side versus another. Or, I mean, for now, let's not do the middle. Let's just do somewhere. So, I'm going to rename this horizontal box to collection sorting buttons, which you guys can't see, but you can see I renamed it there. And then what I can do is wrap it with a horizontal grid itself, a horizontal box. Then I can duplicate it. And before the duplication, I'm going to add a little image between the two. This one will be just a black divider. And what I can do is if I did fill, I can do something like this. Oh, but then problem is, oh, you know what? For these, I can change it to left. These are the collection buttons. This is the deck sorting buttons. And for these guys, I need to change from right 10 to left 10. So then I can make it, let's say, anchor to the middle here. And now we have this sorting the collection, and then we'll make this, which doesn't do anything yet, sorting the deck. It's gonna take some time to do the deck, so in the meantime, let's do let's clean this up a little bit. So let's add some text here, I think. Collection. Excuse me. And here, let's just gonna be just something to add to it. And then let me think of where do I want the search bar? Probably to the right here. So I need a I'll be under input. Is it editable text? No. Text box? I don't think it's a text box. I think it's some because they need an editable one. Oh no. Yeah, totally a text. Is it? Totally this. So I'm gonna need this to be something like this. So and text appears when there's no text in the box. Oh, okay. So what we need to do is change the color of this, though. Why is it such a light gray? I don't care about the background stuff. Font family, this is all fine. I can make it a little bit smaller. Honestly, it's fine, probably. The size it is. Now, it says color here, pink. That is the color. But it is not actually black. It's a little bit still. We could change the. This one I'd want like black text. I mean, and a white background. What is interesting to me is that ain't black. So why? Okay, no outline. No shadows. This doesn't do anything. This is nothing to do with it. Stroke brush, underline brush, no. Background color. Change the background color here. All nice, but why is the color not? I don't care about the background, image focus, image hover, image normal. Oh, interesting. Okay. That was because I was looking at the hint text. Actual typed text is black. Okay. Got it. That was on me. I did not realize that. Okay. So in that case, I also want to add a border to this. Can I wrap with a border? To border. Oh, that's the text. Back to words. Border. And I also want to change it to a instead of image, I want a rounded box. Instead of height radius, no, I want fixed radius of it's a little bit rounder there. Honestly, it's probably good enough. Yeah. And then let's change the color of it. That changes like the entire thing. Why does it change the entire thing? I mean, honestly, that's fine. Let's see it. Looks good. The only thing you won't be able to do though is search when you're using a controller. I have no idea how to implement a search if using a controller. I mean, I could do like a pop-up keyboard kind of thing. Like, but I don't think I'm gonna do that yet. Also, this I changed it to wait. This guy I'm gonna put a little bit down. So with you. And then you change it lighter. It's 305, I guess is fine. Okay. Ain't pretty, but I think for now it's okay. You have sort here, sort here. Is there anything else I'd want to have up? Well, I guess I can move this. So if I move the search to the left, I can put this information up here. I don't actually want to put that information up there. I do like it here, because then you're just looking at the deck size here. Making this work, by the way, the controller, I already know is going to be hell on earth, but I'll do it. I'll figure it out, a way to do it. I'm just not focusing on controller for now. Let's get working with a keyboard and mouse, and then we can worry about controller. Like, I have ideas of how to do it, or what needs to be, like, how I'd want it to work, rather, and I'll need to figure out the actual like, setup for it. Do I want to move the deck? I might have this all... No, but the search is going to search for both. When I have the search implemented, I'll want it to search for the collection and in my deck. Because the way it's going to work is basically it's just going to highlight only like the selectable ones, or like the highlighted ones will be only the cards that are going to match. Or I'm going to just show those, actually, in the deck and stuff. That's probably gonna be the better way of doing search. Basically, if I type in here, let's say I search for, crit, then the only card I would see here is critical chance up. That is the easiest way of implementing this. The other idea that I just had was the all other cards would be like grayed out, and I'd only see this. But thinking back, the way you'd probably want it to work is when you search for something, you get specifically that. You don't want to search within the search, effectively, right? So then that makes it super simple. So then, yeah, we want the searches. The sorting, search. And then... I think that's it. So for now, I think we go with this layout. I think we go with this layout. Okay. So let's start out. Let's start here. So now we have the sort time. This is gonna be the deck versions. So let's change up the names in all of these. The good thing is I can reuse a lot of the functionality by copy pasting it, but there'll still be quite a bit of changing. Cam?
Ads are here. Pausing
Oh.
for ads.
Last time. Where's Alpha? Okay. Should organize these. I'll do that after the ads. I need to organize this because it's getting a little bit of a mess. But I feel like we should be able to literally just copy this, and then we'll need a new set of safe deck. Oh, so this is safe deck sorting. This used to be save collection sorting, and then I'll have separate ones called safe deck sorting. Yeah, because we'll need to sort each thing separately and save which one we're sorting and how. The only thing that will not save between reloads is the actual search, right? Because if you have something in the search, then you're not seeing the full thing. That needs to be figured out. And I think what I'm probably going to do for the search is when you hit enter on the search, it clears it. And then I might change the background text instead of saying search to say what it actually has searched for. I think that might be a good way of doing it. I'll explain more after the ads. Okay, so what I'm thinking is basically right now it has search, right? 3 dots. But when you type in, let's say, whatever, health, right? And you press enter. When you press enter, this field will clear out. And instead of search ... it will just say health ... maybe. In the same format. So as though, and then you can type in and then it'll go to the next one. And then when you reopen it, it'll go back to search. But that way, you'll know what you've just searched for. But it will immediately clear. Oh. No, I can't. Can't clear it. If I clear it, then there's no way of... No, can't do it. Because if this gets cleared, then obviously then this whole sorting also gets cleared. If we have it... Or if it doesn't, then how do you clear it? Yeah, no. It has to be off of live. Not live, but like actually what's in here. I don't know. I kind of answered my own stupidity there. So let's do this is going to be collection order. Order sort time already alphabetical. Why do I have another border sort? Oh, this is Dex. Deck. Sure. Then this is collection. What? There we go. And this is deck button. Colors. There we go. Okay. So from here, we need to go under deck button and do an unclicked. All right, before I forget, instead of save deck sorting, this is save collection sorting. This is the order I want these in. And so theoretically, I can grab all of this, duplicate it down here, and use this as the base. This isn't going to be right, but it's the base. Starting with the fact that right now we're getting the information from the card collection type, and we need a different type. So it's the card collection type. I'm going to duplicate it and call this deck or card deck sort type. The other thing we're going to need is that here, the collection sort type. We need a deck sort type. And we'll see. Save the deck sort type. I wish there was a better way of me doing this. The better way of doing this is to probably convert this all to a struct in the end. And do it on a struct. That's the better way of doing this. So eventually I'll need to do that here. It's already getting too much. So get card, deck, sort type. No Ray tonight, but you're still here. Why are you sad? Welcome in, mate. Hope you're doing well. That's good. I hope you rated someone else. Yeah, I'm not good about rating. Yeah, I'm not good about rating. This is the Jesus 2. Mostly because I don't I don't know. I feel awkward rating with low numbers. Like I tend to like to raid like if I have like above 10. Like if I have like at least like around 10, then I'm like, okay, let's raid someone. You finished your YouTube video that took longer than you needed to edit. Well, I mean, at least you're done. I'm glad you got it working and sorted out. That's important. And as you do more stuff and you figure out like tricks and stuff, you'll get faster. Like, just like not too long ago, I probably within the last month or so, maybe a little more now, month or two, I went from editing taking 7 hours, like recording, editing, and everything, like being like 7 hours, to now taking like 3-4 hours. Like, because I got some like extra tools and stuff, and figured out some better workflows for some other stuff. So all of a sudden, like instead of me like starting at like at noon and ending like at 8 p.m., like I'll start at noon and I'll be done by like 4, which is considerably better. You feel really tired to go to bed? Well, have a good night. Nothing weird about being tired. Absolutely nothing weird about being tired. Okay, so this is now set up. The next thing we need to do is this save collection sorting. I need to duplicate this and do a save deck sorting. Set deck sort type. Sort type. Save. You feel really tired? Like I've never felt tired like this? Hey, sometimes it gets you. I've had that happen. Don't worry. It's a thing. Listen to this old man. He's wise beyond his years. Okay, let's do that. We want to go save game. We want to save the deck size. Just not deck size. Deck sort type. I don't actually need to save them here. I don't need to save them there. Yeah, I don't. There's no reason to save it because it's already being saved. And just to confirm, I should be able to sort this. Go alphabetical. Still alphabetical. Still alphabetical. Yep. Cool. So that cleans that up. That also means that I don't need to get it here. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, here I do. Here I do. I just don't need to save it. Okay. So this is now being saved. So inside of here, we have the save collection, and here I need to remove all of this. Save deck sorting. Okay. Next thing is we need to change the border sort rarity for find references. Where's the replace option? Can't replace. Okay, fine. Deck order rarity. Alphabetical. And time. So now here I need alphabetical and rarity. Rarity, go here. Yeah. Also, we need to change the call sorting clicked. Can I do collection sorting clicked? And then I make a new one that's deck sorting. So all of these will all do the deck sorting clicked. I haven't implemented it yet, but theoretically now already I should have oh, that's not being saved. Or it's not being saved because here I need to do a sequence now. So first we need to do card collection. Not first, but like we need to do the card collection, and then we need to do get deck collection, deck sort type. And same thing, switch on this. And I can take this, duplicate it here. This up a little bit. So time first. And rarity first, and then I just need to swap these around. Okay. So now, if we come here, we have this already in blue. If I select this, blue, orange, blue, orange. If I save this on the right one, it's still saving the right one. Oh, unload doesn't load it. Why? Oh, it's because I didn't actually load it here. To here, I need to set the sort type. So now, if I did this, now it's blue here. And if I change it to the middle one, let's say orange, and I exit out and restart it, it's still orange. Sweet. Okay. So tomorrow we'll implement the sorting for the deck, and then we'll implement the search functionality for both. Ooh. Actually, I might do 2 searches. I don't know how I'd want to do 2 searches. Oh no, I'll have the search do both. I'll have the search do both. It's fine. Awesome. Well, this was a giant success. I am super happy with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back tomorrow at 6:30 Pacific for some more game dev and stuff. We'll finish up the sorting. We'll finish up the search, and like the main part of the deck builder will be kind of done. There's still a bit more to do. But yeah, I think it's a decent start. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your night. And I'll see you guys next time. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.